not the fake one, not the tipu-tipu one. Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today, I was supposed to talk about 3M water filter. However, there is something more important that struck my mind, which I believe that most of you are having the same concern. The question now is, how do you know that you are getting a genuine 3M water filter? Now, we are talking about the original one. Not the fake one, not the tipu-tipu one, not the chiplak-chiplak one, and also not parallel import. Alright? This is very important because only the genuine 3M products comes with a 3M warranty coverage. Number one, we highly recommend that you purchase from a 3M certified reseller or online reseller. All the authorized resellers will be given a certificate of reseller by 3M Malaysia. Please feel free to verify the authentication before confirming your order. For online resellers, they are given a certificate of online reseller. You may log into 3m.com.my under purification or call 3M's hotline at 03 7884 2888 to verify their status. Number 2, a 3M original label sticker with a unique serial number for e-warranty. Register your 3M water filter products at the website link below to get an additional 6 months warranty coverage. With over 75 years of filtration expertise and 3M original water filtration system, you can enjoy a cleaner, clearer, and better tasting water. Do not compromise your family's health with counterfeit products. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye for now.